guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how easy it is to achieve this top knot. Honestly, now that I'm a new mum, I really don't have a lot of time in my day to come up with these fancy, exciting hairstyles, and honestly this top knot is my go-to. It's the most easiest, the most convenient. I can wrap it up in 30 seconds and I'm out the door. So if you want to see how easy this is to achieve, then just keep on watching. So to start, I like to use two hair ties. The first one is a thick one for the ponytail, and then I like to use a flexible thin one to secure the top knot. Okay, so grabbing a paddle brush, this one's from MODLE'S Prefer. I'm going to use this to brush my hair into a ponytail. Alright, so just using my fingers first to collect it into the pony. I'm just using my paddle brush to brush my hair into the hair tie and just to smooth it all out. And then picking up my L'Oreal Extra Strength hairspray, I'm just going to spray down the very top. And then using the thick hair tie I showed you earlier, I'm going to use that to tie up the ponytail. Alright, so now that we've got the ponytail, as you can see, I've got a lot of baby hairs at the back here. So I'm going to use this hairspray to smooth out those baby hairs. And then using a teasing comb, I'm going to smooth out those hairs. And before I continue with the top knot, I'm just going to bobby pin those baby hairs so that they stay up. When I do my top knots, I prefer for my hair to be a little gritty and textured. That way it helps the top knot to stay in place all day. Whereas I find when my hair's clean, it's often too smooth and silky, which means that the strands will sometimes fall out of place and then the bun sort of loosens throughout the day. So to give my hair the texture that I'm after to ensure that the top knot stays all day, I like to spray it with my TONI and Guy Sea Salt Texturising Spray. Alright, so while I allow that to air dry, I'm just going to go in with an eyeshadow palette and lightly fill in these gaps here. And I'm just using the Triple Fudge shade from my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. Okay, so now that the sea salt spray has dried, I'm going to create a top knot and then secure it with that thin hair tie I showed you earlier. Alright, so I'm just using one hand to wrap the top knot, and then I'm using the other hand to hold it down. So there's one wrap, there's a second wrap, and then there's your third. Okay, and then using this leftover hair here, I'm going to wrap that as close to the center of the top knot as possible. So going right in there, and then I'm just going to secure it with two of them. And I'm just going to make the necessary adjustments. So as you can see, my hair's been pulled back quite tight. So to relax it a little bit, I like to pull out my baby hairs on the side and just very lightly run my straightener on the sides. Like that. And then one final spray of my L'Oreal hairspray. Alright guys, there you have it, this super easy to achieve 30 seconds max top knot. I really hope you guys liked this video. Let me know what you thought of it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!